Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to start ordering from 1688 with your Alipay step by step without any stress. So bless me. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about how to import from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to start ordering directly on 1688 with your Alipay. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your 1688 shopping app. Then having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you source for an item. And there are different ways to source for an item. One of the first ways to source for item on 1688 is to type the keyword of the item you are looking for into the search engine right here. You are going to see a lot of similar results. Another way to source for an item on 1688 is to make use of this camera icon, which stands for image search. So having sourced for an item, next thing you want to do is to add the item to cart. So let's check out on how to add an item to cart on 1688. Alright, so this item right here, I need just 2 pieces of this item. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add the item to cart. I need this one right here, so I have to add the item to cart right here. I need just 2 pieces, 1, 2. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. So the item has been successfully added to cart. So let's check on another store and see how we can add another item to cart. So from this store here also, I need to purchase some items. So for me to add the item to cart, I have to click on here. So I need these 4 pieces. So I'm going to click on that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need another 4 here. I need this one 4. I need this one 4. I need this one 4. So everything here is 20 pieces. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. Then let's check on another store. So I need just 1 pieces from this store. What I need to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. Then I need this color of this particular size, 3 mm 70 by 77 centimeter. I need just 1. Then I'll simply click on here to add it to cart. So let's check on another store and add the item to cart. So from this store here, I also need just 1 piece of bag. So I will simply click on here to add it to cart. Then I need 1 of white color. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. So having had all the items to cart, next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to fill my cart. So we're going to have all the items right here. So next thing I need to do is to select each of the items and proceed to checkout. So I'm going to click on here to select this one. So I'm going to select this. Now scroll down, I will select this. And I'll scroll down, I'll select this. Then finally, I'll click on here to proceed to checkout. So right here, I'm paying the sum of 41.57 yuan to purchase all these. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed. And I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter payment password. Payment done successful. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. Then for me to access my profile, I need to simply go back. Then I have to click on here to view my profile. So by the time I refresh my profile, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check them out. So you can see them right here. So this is the first one, second one, and third and the fourth one. So this is how to start ordering directly on 1688 with Alipay. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.